This again. It is the 26th of March, 2020. This is WIKISPEED Standup. Go ahead, Lauren.
Okay, it's Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia. This past week, the only thing that I can think that I've done that's relevant is just thinking and then being involved in a lot with video, WhatsApp, Zoom. And so that is peripherally relevant. And coming week, I would love to try and revive my pie. I didn't yet. And blocks are toothache, dentist office closed, so, and so forth. That's it for me.
Great. I have been using Zoom, Microsoft Team for online stuff. And as you can see, I got a headset actually working with my laptop, which is not a trivial exercise. I've been trying this for a couple of years now, so finally got that going. I didn't get anything done on my backlog for last week, but there is a ton of information. Everybody is all of a sudden a expert on remote teams and stuff like that. Then you read the bios of the people that are teaching the courses, and none of them are actually working remotely. So it's everybody's an expert, I guess. This next week, what I'm going to be doing is more remote, or working remotely as most people are. And blocks, I've still got blocks in not being able to get to my workspace in the basement because we've been painting. So we haven't gotten, and the dryer broke, so I have to fix that. So just normal, mundane, everyday stuff, but it gets in the way. I guess that's about it for me. You're still muted, Lauren.
I'm going to give myself a 3. We're both on this meeting, and the team of a 7. And the process improvement is get through this. So that's it.
Okay, I'm going to give myself a 3 as well because I did make it to the meeting. Process improvement. I guess I'm going to suggest that we review Scrum and what's the other tool called? Agile. Because what I have been reading is that there is a limit to the number of tasks that you're supposed to have in progress, so that you don't lose focus and lose some of them off the bottom of the list and stuff. And I don't believe we've been doing that very well. My weekly report and my hope of getting stuff done, I've got a month or two's worth, even if I was doing 2 or 3 points a week. So that's just too far to project. I should be trimming it down to what I need to get done next, and then maybe some of that will come back, maybe it won't. So I guess that's what I'm going to say for now.
I vote for that one. It's, let's call it groom the backlog down.
Yes.
And so you recommit to Scrum and Agile. There's a lot of good reasons for that right now. So like one thing is oh yeah, so yeah, I'll say that just before the crosstalk. It's that clearly the people and companies like us actually who've been doing this, I think we've got like years on other people doing video conferences. And the companies and people that can do it. Oh yeah, it's like really a good time for it. And yeah, okay, then that's it for me. And yeah, I would like to go stop the recording and carry on a little bit, just for a few minutes.
Okay, so just before we go, I think I'm going to take myself up to a 5 because I realize that I have been reading enough about Scrum and such to actually have an opinion about, yeah, we need to go back and look at the backlog. So I'm going to give myself a 5 instead of a 3. And I guess with that, takes us down to the meeting. We'll do crosstalk offline. And I'll just, no, I don't want to end the meeting. I want to stop recording.